yeah, he said that thing came from the base, and he said they put it up in the 80s. They got it there. And yeah, and because well, the rotator belt on the 2 was a gauge green stripe. They didn't come out with those until the 80s.
Ah, gotcha.
So it probably had a new belt on it when they put it up.
That would make sense. Yeah,
So yeah, so more likely it probably did come from the base.
Yeah, I always heard that that thing was put up in the top of 67, but
No.
I don't believe that to be correct nowadays. I just can't believe that thing came from the base, honestly. It's something I never really knew about.
I didn't believe it either until they told me, yeah.
I mean, like, some of them, especially the coffee cans, didn't seem to be too bad.
Yeah, well, those were set up. This was, it's not least line. It's just a, it's a touch phone. Those vacuums.
Yeah, when it came to CDWS and everything, I don't know if I ever told you this, but back when the cabin stuff was built in 62, my mom's dad was actually looking for a hotel room at the time down that area. He actually helped out with getting the CDWS system for the cabin.
I wonder if the controller of those sirens on the base is still working on the command post, because all of those Thunderbolts are ran by telephone.
I mean, hell, if you got a CDWS console, it's probably getting one of the hands sirens.
I mean, it's probably still in the command post. If they have to renovate it for it out. I know all the phone lines with the sirens.
Yeah, I was under the impression from someone who worked on the base that I went to high school, they were still live and everything. It was like that.
siren. I bought mine with 2 motors before and stuck in front of it.
Oh, how about that? Yeah, I mean, hey, I still got that bolt head I got from Christopher, which, truth be told, I've been thinking about getting rid of anytime soon. I mean, if you want it for like future restorations, hell, you can have the thing. Just come get it.
The piece of bolt.
What?
Is it one that's all over the auger on that truck still?
Are you selling the LSTL 10?
No, that's the only one I've ever seen. I've still seen mine.
Love those diesel sounds.
I just put a brand new set of tires on the back of this one yesterday.
Oh, nice. Real nice. Yeah, Jared out in Texas, he was hassling me for a long time about if I came down here, if I got thermal control number. I know. I would have no reason to doubt you on that. Never my entire life I thought I'd see a square hole sensor.
Me either. I didn't either. I mean, I remember Andy Fisher, he took that one down. What are you going to do with that? Yeah, it's south side of
He double checked the list. He says Sherman's from about 1969, 1970. I have no idea. I know they took the
Yeah, it was.
It's actually mid-70s. We believe it's from about 1974, 1975.
The way that siren looked, I got it, was thought it was from 19.
Because I've seen those on Houston and Omaha Thunderbolts before.
Well, yeah, those came from Altus.
Altus, Oklahoma?
Yeah.
Interesting. Got Branson, Missouri?
Yeah.
I gotcha.
They got some on some of their SD10s.
Oh yeah, and here was the free to a good home Thunder Beam.
I think the brush was gone. Atlanta is kind of like a black hole when it comes to sirens. Either they have them or they don't, and they don't want to hear a damn thing about getting them. Were you
thought that thing was quite nice looking, even though you described the thing as pretty much a harsh
Oh,
mistress to put it
oh,
lightly.
it was a pain. Like, that car was a nightmare to keep running.
Yeah.
That car had nothing but damn electrical problems. Lots and lots of electrical nightmare. Yeah, they're see that Super 6.
Ah, Chrysler Super 6.
And there's the air cleaner for it. Well, that's for the Slant 6 one barrel.
Yeah. Yeah, last year my box tech gave me a bunch of
Yeah, that's the 400 air cleaner. I forgot I still had it. Yeah, for the 402 barrel.
Yeah, like I was saying, last year my box started giving me a bunch of electrical problems, a bunch of nitpicky things. Now I go in to replace everything.
80s Ford, especially 80s Ford fuel injection, was down there. Anything goes high. Yeah. Old car. Yeah, you get an old car, work on all that.
That's why I don't nail that box body. Hey, come out here. Is that air?
I wanted an Aerotoma process, but I never really knew why. I mean, I don't have a damn thing to run it on. I used to have a if I can never convince Tiff County to let me fix all the rest of their sirens, I'm gonna have a bunch of them. That's what all the good old Model 2s, they all still have siren pros on.
Oh, damn.
They all still have AR timers.
Just out of curiosity, are there any systems that anyone still use phone on relays?
Or Ryan.
Oh, Ryan still uses phone on relays.
Yeah, my county sucks, dude. Yeah, we thought we were going to go to radio activation this year, but then the county stalled out on it. We can't get nobody to agree to anything. But yeah, I mean, South Ryan, somebody has to pick up the phone and dial me